My name is Paul Marsh. Welcome to our channel, the Overlander South Africa. In our first series, Overhaul Overland, we're going to take you through a process of what it takes to find a four-wheel drive. How do you choose it? What do you check? To understand what to look at mechanically that you're going to build back that reliability into the vehicle. Whether you're buying a 4x4 or already own a 4x4, our first series is aimed at you to really help you make the key decisions before you spend your money. We've partnered with specialists in our area, and we're going to use their knowledge and experience to show us what we need to do to rebuild an engine or a gearbox or the drivetrain, all using quality parts, so that you can go on your journey feeling confident that you've had a vehicle well prepared, built back in the safety and the reliability, and you can live your dream of driving overland. If this talks to you, please follow us on our journey and subscribe. And for more information, have a look at our website, theoverlander.co.za.